Hello everyone. First, open your WhatsApp, open a chat. Now, on the top, tap on three dot icon. Choose disappearing messages. With this feature, for more privacy and storage, new messages will disappear from this chat for everyone after the selected duration, except when kept. Anyone in the chat can change these settings. And as you see, we have a 4 option. By default, this feature is off. We can set 24 hours, 7 days and 90 days. By your need, choose one of them, for example 24 hours. And back to your chat. Now, as you see, for your that contact profile, you see a timer icon. Also, you see a note which say you update this message timer, new messages will disappear from this chat 24 hours after they sent, except when kept. If you tap this note, you can change the timer or off this feature. For example, if you send a message, this message will be disappear after 24 hours. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.